So I'm going to talk about speciesism. Speciesism is when you value one species over another. For example, people care about their pets, dogs. They treat other animals like crap. So, what is more important, a dog or a pig? Answer that to yourself. What is more important, a horse or a dog? Answer that to yourself. What is more important, a dolphin or a lobster? Or a turtle? A gorilla or a monkey? An elephant or a rhino? Or a fish? Or a frog? Answer yourself what one's more important. I think they're all equal. Try to justify it in certain ways, like saying one's going to live longer, or you think one's sentient and can suffer and the other can't. Like a fish or a prawn or a crawfish, I consider them all equals. So the shrimp you had is equal to a lobster. It's not valuing one species over another because of how we like them or what we favor. They're all equals. They suffer the same. And we shouldn't place the value of their life on how much we like them. That's discrimination. Like racism, it's speciesism. Speciesism. Like racism and sexism. So I treat all animals as equals. I'm vegan, of course. I don't hire hitmen to terrorize animals for me. In sick factory farms. So I think a horse is the same as a dog or a pig. Yes, some are smarter than others, but so are humans. Some are smarter than others. I have a pilot's license and a master's degree. Am I more important than someone else that doesn't? Because they do a different career? I might be more valuable, but to humans, a small segment of humans, but that doesn't make me necessarily more valuable in many senses. So, one shouldn't be tortured and suffer for instant gratification while others you claim to care about. So stop being a hypocrite, especially dog people. Pigs are as smart as dogs, and again, we all suffer the same. So just think about it. You can try to justify things like, oh, one's endangered, like the elephant versus the rhino, which both are endangered due to overpopulated humans. But or lifespan, lobsters and turtles can live very long, whereas insects have short lifespans. But that's like saying a 70-year-old or a 20-year-old versus a 40-year-old. Which one's more important? Well, one's already invested in their life more, has learned things, has maybe family and such, just like animal species. So the simple solution is to leave them alone. Vegan is the future. Look up a factory farm video. They don't have to be rare to care. Simply leave all species alone. Thank you.